So for my first property, would you suggest a simple buy-to-let, or would you start with a BRR? So buy, refurbish, refinance is what a BRR stands for. So I'm assuming what they're saying is, do I buy a house already done up and just let it out, or do I buy a house that needs adding value to then refinance it and repeat?
Okay, so that really depends on your strategy. If you have a full-time job and you just want to buy a property for maybe your retirement, then by all means go and buy a single let, rent it out, and then you're going to get a small monthly income, but the main thing you'll get is capital appreciation. So in 10, 20, 30 years, whenever you retire, you'll have that lump sum of capital appreciation that you can then sell to realise that capital. However, if you're in this because you maybe want to replace your income, you want to replace your job, remember what does job stand for? Just over broke. So if you want to replace your job, then I would say that you need to get into refurbing and flipping properties, because that will give you lump sums of money. So you buy a property, you add value to it, you then sell it and make 20, 25 grand cash as a lump sum. You can repeat that multiple times and build up lump sums. And what you can do is you could actually do both. So you could buy properties, refurb them to build up your cash, then buy long-term single lets or HMOs that you will get a capital appreciation on.